Good morning, everyone. I am Cindy from Clucking Around, and I am your chicken check-in chick. So today I am off to do the ivermectin again. So I still have some left, and this is about day 10. And in order to keep the pests at bay and to keep the eggs from hatching again if they have that problem, then my chicken lady has said I needed to do this again on about day 10 so that it would keep the cycle from starting over again. So that's my job today. It is Sunday, and we're going to do that before I let any of the girls out. Now I have a way, since I have like 28 girls and I have Batman, I have a way that I keep track of who has gotten the shot and who has not, and I'll show that to you as well. As you can see, they think that I'm gonna let them out. So let's hope I don't have any escapees, but I'm not letting them out yet because it will be much easier to catch them if they're in the run. So I've got a lot of work to do. I got you, girl. Let me put it down. Come here, girl. Oh, don't you poop on me. Don't you poop on me, girl. No pooping on me. Don't poop on me. Y'all are nosy. Are y'all girls being nosy? You're not gonna like this, I know. Oh, jeez. Okay, there you go. You're done. Next. Oh. There you go. You're done. See, you just got a little shot, but you're done. That was easy, huh? I got you, lottie-dottie. I know. You're a squealer. I know. No, I got you, girl. I got you. There you go. You're done. That was it. Who wants to go next? You're good, lottie-dottie. Feathers, get back. Feathers, you're not gonna peck at her. No, eagle. Feathers, you're not gonna peck at her. Don't move. There you go. Done. Okay, Winona. No. Gotta get your wings. Nope. You're good. You're good. Lottie-dottie, I don't need your help. I know you came to try to get onto her. No, lottie-dottie. Okay, Winona. Oh, girl, come here. Stop flapping. Lottie, y'all don't need to come attack her. Okay, let me see. Where's your spot? Let me see. Everybody's not getting along this morning, huh? Hey, girls. My goodness. There, you're done. See, wasn't that hard? No, Midnight. I got you, Midnight. Midnight, calm down. Lottie-dottie, you don't need to come scold everybody. It seems I'm upsetting everybody today. Sorry, girls. There you go, see? All good. Maybe I need to start letting the girls out who I have already given a shot to, right? And then maybe the rest of you will participate a little bit better. We'll see. One more little bit of a word of advice. I actually wore this sweater out there to do all of this chicken chores and giving them this injection, because if not, you could get your arms all scratched up. So I wore this out for protection because all too often I do get scratched up from the birds. Okay, so I've pretty much got all the girls done except for two. And one of them's my leghorn and the other is one that's heavily molting. I'll get those two later. So I just need a break because some of my big girls were hard to catch, and I had to break out the net for those. Anyway, so everyone have a good, safe Sunday.